In this exercise, I would like to explain the spray paint and how to create different symbols. So for example, if we want to make a star shape and we would like to maybe use it as a crown on a person, give this another color. Then we would like to spray paint this object. In order to do this, we can select this object and group it. Then we can go to Window and go to Symbols. You can add new symbols to this menu. So our just created object can be dragged into this menu. We can give it a name, for example, person with a crown. And we click on OK. Then you can see that it appears in the symbols, which means that if I now choose the spray paint tool in the toolbar and I have our new object selected, I can draw with our object. But if we think it's too big, let's delete this. Then we spray paint only one of our object. Then press the selection tool, make it smaller. Press the spray paint again, and we can then paint with smaller ones. And this is how the spray paint works. And of course we can also just put a clipping mask over it if we would like to have it in a certain shape. Then we select the object, the spray paint, right mouse click, make clipping mask. Now we have made a nice pattern on a certain box. For example, it could be nice present paper.